Greetings, curious minds and cat aficionados. Welcome to another intriguing episode of Just Facts. Today, we unravel the secrets of feline wellness as we delve deep into the top 5 must-know facts about cats. Get ready for a journey full of purrs, whiskers, and wisdom. Fact 1. Balanced diet. Kicking off our list is the pivotal role of a balanced diet in a cat's life. Cats are obligate carnivores. This means their bodies are designed to absorb nutrients best from animal-based proteins. Essential amino acids like taurine, found predominantly in meat, are crucial for heart function, vision, and more. A lack of such nutrients can lead to severe health issues. But what does a balanced cat diet look like? It's a mix of proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, and water. Commercial cat foods are formulated to meet these needs, but it's essential to choose high-quality products and occasionally consult a vet for dietary advice. Remember, every cat is unique. Some may have specific dietary needs based on age, weight, and health conditions. Fact 2. Regular vet checkups. Next up, we cannot stress enough the importance of regular vet checkups. These visits are essential in catching potential health issues early on, such as diabetes, kidney disease, or thyroid disorders. A routine checkup usually involves a physical examination, blood tests, urine tests, and possibly imaging studies. How often should you visit the vet? At least once a year for adult cats, but senior cats or those with health issues might require more frequent visits. These checkups are your feline's health shield. Never underestimate them. Fact 3. Dental health. Diving into the world of feline dental health, did you know that by the age of 3, 70% of cats show signs of dental disease? Issues like gingivitis and periodontal disease can lead to pain, tooth loss, and systemic health issues. Regular teeth cleaning, dental treats, and professional dental checkups can make all the difference. Symptoms like bad breath, drooling, and difficulty eating can signal dental problems. Prioritizing dental health is key to avoiding complications and ensuring a happy, healthy kitty. Fact 4. Stress and anxiety. Venturing into the feline mind, we uncover how cats, much like us, can suffer from stress and anxiety. Changes in the environment, new people or pets, or even a shift in routine can trigger stress. Symptoms include changes in behavior, eating habits, grooming, and litter box use. Identifying stressors and addressing them, providing a safe space, and occasionally consulting a vet for behavioral therapies or medications are vital in managing feline stress and anxiety. A serene cat is a happy cat. Fact 5. Spaying, neutering. Lastly, we touch on a critical subject, spaying or neutering. This procedure is not just about population control. It reduces the risk of certain cancers, curbs behavioral issues like marking and aggression, and increases the lifespan of your cat. Understanding the benefits and addressing any concerns with your vet are steps toward responsible cat ownership. That concludes our exploration of the top 5 must-know facts about cats. Equipped with this knowledge, you're ready to ensure a vibrant, healthy life for your feline friend. Share your thoughts and any additional tips in the comments. If you enjoyed this, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, this is Just Facts, where curiosity meets enlightenment.